This Century 21 At Your Service Realty property video is presented by Eileen Bellinger. This charming 3-bedroom/2-bathroom home offers loads of potential. The open concept floor plan features a spacious living room that flows directly into the kitchen and dining area. The eat-in kitchen features white cabinets, a closet pantry and a breakfast bar. The generously sized Florida room offers access into the backyard. The master bedroom suite features vaulted ceilings, a walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom. This home is located on a lovely lot with no rear neighbor and no community HOA fees. Other amenities include a laundry room with utility sink, 24x15 garage, decorative landscape edging, gutters, oversized driveway and irrigation system with a well. Home is being sold as is no repairs. For more information